Did you know that silence is the loudest noise you can make to a manipulator? Unhealthy people feed on your reaction. They want your anger, they want your tears. In psychology, we call this narcissistic supply. When you react, you give them power. But when you stay silent, you become invisible to their games. So today I will show you 5 psychological silent moves that will confuse toxic people and protect your peace. When someone tries to provoke you, do not answer immediately. Wait. Count to 3 in your head. This creates an awkward silence. It forces them to think about what they just said, and it shows them that you control the timing of the conversation, not them. When they are acting crazy, simply look at them. Do not roll your eyes, just observe them as if you are a scientist studying a bug. This is powerful because it shifts the dynamic. You are no longer the victim, you are the observer. This makes manipulators feel very exposed and uncomfortable. Sometimes you have to speak, but you don't have to give them information. If they try to argue, use a boring phrase like, "This is an interesting perspective," or simply say, "Okay." This technique is called gray rocking. You become as boring as a rock. If you are boring, they cannot play with you. This is a very specific move. You stop saying hi. Psychologically, a greeting is a social contract. It says, "I acknowledge you." But when someone hurts you or disrespects you, they have broken that contract. You do not owe them a greeting. You do not owe them a smile. When you stop saying hello, you are not being rude, you are setting a clear boundary. You are silently saying, "I no longer accept your behavior." This is the hardest one. When they try to hurt you, just offer a small, polite smile and walk away. This proves that their poison did not work. Silence is not weakness, my friends. It is strategy. If you want to master your emotions and learn more about ethical psychology, please subscribe to this channel.